Hello friends, welcome to the video number 16 for the Visual Basic for applications in Excel. And in this video we're going to be expanding even a little bit more the capabilities of the if block to make even more decisions. And well, just in case you didn't make it to the last part of the previous video, I said during the video 15 that you can place as many else's as you want. That's not accurate or not exactly true. I mean, you can do it, but not putting just the else. You gotta use this new reserved word that is the else if, as you can see here. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding this else if and then more code, then another else if, and as many else if as we need. And well, as you can see here in this example, for example, where I'm gonna be taking the grade for I don't know, a test of a student or as many students as I need, and let's say the grade is 100. I'm gonna be evaluating from 0 to 100. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna tell VBA, okay, if the grade is equal to 100, then I want you to write perfect score on a 1. Else, if the grade is greater than 85, then you're gonna be writing well done. Else, again, if the grade is greater than 70, then you're gonna write enough to pass. And in the end, we're just gonna put the else. I mean, any other thing that doesn't fall into any of these three. Well, you're gonna write you need to try again. Now, as we saw in the previous video, the first condition that evaluates to true, that's the part of the code that's gonna get evaluated, and then the rest is gonna be skipped and it's gonna go directly to the end if. So let's try this. I have this 100. Let's run it. So, okay, it says perfect score. I'm going to select a different cell so we can see perfect score. Let's do 99. Okay, just well done. An 80. Enough to pass. And if we have a 69, that terrifying 69, because well, you're just in the line, but you will need to try again. I'm sorry, you were very, very close, but you're gonna have to try again. So of course, anything below that, it's gonna stay the same. You need to try again. Now, one thing, we gotta be very careful with the logic. I mean, how are we thinking about placing these conditions, these next conditions that are going to be compared or evaluated to see if they are true? Because for example here, I'm gonna comment this block and I'm gonna use this one. It's basically the same, but I am starting the other way around. I'm saying, okay, if the grade is greater than 70, then you're gonna do this. Then if the grade is greater than 80, or if the grade is equals to 100. So if VBA evaluated every single one of them, probably this would work. But again, as we saw, as soon as one evaluates to true, then the rest of the code gets skipped and goes directly to the end if. So if I have a student or this code and I try to evaluate the grade of a student with a 100, I'm gonna do it with step by step. Okay, the grade is 100. Then it's gonna come here and 100 is greater than 70. Well, yes, it is. So it's gonna say, well, I should have placed this enough to pass here and perfect score here. But well, it's just for you to get the idea. So if I had this enough to pass here, actually I think I can still change it. And this would be the perfect score, just like that. And we hit F8 again. Well, again, it evaluated to true, so it executes this code, finish this code, and goes directly to the end if. And well, we're gonna have a very angry student because it did a perfect score, but it didn't got evaluated correctly. So again, just be careful on how you make these logical comparisons or operations so that you get actually the result that you are expecting. Again, there is the perfect score. And well, this is everything that we can do to expand the capabilities of the if statement or the if block. And just to try to finish with this, what we're going to be looking in the next video is going to be what is called as the nested if. So we're gonna have like a multi-level ifs, basically ifs inside of another ifs. It's gonna be it can get a little bit complex, I guess. So it depends a lot of how you think about the code and how you are going to code that what you are thinking, that logic that you have. And well, I'm gonna try to make a very simple example. I think we can manage that. And well, I hope that you found this video useful. And please don't forget to subscribe, to stay tuned, share and like the video. And well, thanks all of you for watching. And I hope to see you in the next video.